Okay, so we are to solve this graph with a calculator. So when you have this type of question, you just switch on your calculator, then you type in the relation. So the question says copy and complete the table below for the relation y is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 2, 21 for the interval negative 2x greater than or less than x greater than or less than 4. So you switch on your calculator, then you press mode, then you press 7 for table. So there will be fx equation given to you. So this fx is requiring for the relation. So you type in the relation here. So the relation is y is equal to x. So x is alpha plus x, or the bracket sign, bracket close sign, x squared. So we have the x squared here. So we have your squared here. Then minus 4x, 4 alpha close bracket will give you x. Then minus 21. So we have the relation here. So you press the equal sign. The interval start at -2. -2. You press equal sign. End at 4. So you press 4. Then equal sign. The step is 1, 2, -1, 0. So the step is 1. So 1. Then you press equal sign. So it will give you the relation. So -2 is equal to -9. Then -1 is equal to -16. Then 0 is equal to -21. So you can use the arrow key here to go down or below. So you have 1 here, which is equal to -24. You have 2 here, which is equal to -25. So the table will be given to you, as simple as that. Okay, so we have another one here. Copy and complete the table of the values for the relation y is equal to x squared. So again, you press the mode, then you press 7 to give you the relation. So you type in the relation x squared. So you press alpha, then x, or the close bracket, to give you x. Then you press the x squared to give you squared. Then minus 2x. So minus 2x alpha, then minus 3. So this is the relation. Therefore, you press the equal sign. Then the interval starts at 0, -2, -2, then end at 4, 4, equal sign. The step, you come here to the x table. So it's 2, -2, -1.5 before -1. It's not like the first table, 2, 1, no. So this one, there is a 0.5. So that is the step. So between the 2 and the -1.5, there is a 0.5. So that is the step. So you press the step. You press 0.5 to be the step. Then you press equal sign. So it will give you the table. So it starts at 2 is equal to 5. That is the y value. Then you have -1.5 is equal to 2.25. So we have 2.25 here. Then we have -1 as 0, as we have here. Then it's 0.5. There is no 0.5 in the table, so you skip that one. Then you move to 0. 0 is -3. Then you move to 1. We have 0.5, but there is no 0.5 in the table, so you skip that one. You move to 1. 1 is negative 4, so you write negative, fill in the table. Then you go to 2, there is no 1.5, so 2 is equal to negative 3, so negative 3. Then we have 2.5, so put 2.5 is negative 1.75, negative 5.75, so you fill in the table. Thank you.